Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm going to be showing you today is this tutorial on a very cute monochromatic look. I used a couple different makeup palettes in here and a couple different liquid lipsticks that I haven't really tried out before, so I'm super impressed. In case you didn't know, monochrome just basically means like one color family. So today I focused on orangey tones, a little bit of pop of yellow and gold there, but mostly oranges, and that's just how this looks. So we have orange blush, orange eyes, and orange lips. So that's kind of pulling it all together. It's super fun to do, I think, to kind of keep in that color story, and it was awesome for me to film, and I really am impressed with how the look turns out. So if you want to go ahead and see this look, just keep on watching.
I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the shade Hey Pumpkin from the Kylie Cosmetics Halloween eyeshadow palette, and just really work on blending that color into the crease and just really kind of blend that up for a good base shade. Going in with a more dense brush, I'm going to use the shade Halloween and going to focus that on the crease and just really build that up in the outer corner of the eye. Here I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush that has no product on it and just really blend out those edges. Taking a dense packer brush, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Gingerbread palette with the shade Spice is Nice to really deepen up that outer corner as well and just provide a lot of orange to the look. In that same palette with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend out those edges and really make sure they're nice and clean. Using the blending brush I used before, I'm going to go in with Gingerbread from that palette and just really help to buff the edges out. It's a little bit brown, so it's going to make the look a little bit more warm. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to use a flat blending brush and use the shade Gingerbread in the outer corners of my eyes to just really connect the top shadow to the bottom. To make the look cohesive, I'm going to be using the Spice is Nice shade, and I'm going to be using another flat blending brush and just bring that all the way to the inner corner on the bottom lash line. Using the shade Boom from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, I'm just going to pack that on my lid using my finger. I find that it works best using the finger for this shade. I'm going in with a Too Faced palette and using Warm and Toasty and just going to pat that on my lid as well to provide a lot of dimension to the lid space. Using my favorite blush brush, I'm going in with the blush First Date from the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection. This is a beautiful orange tone blush. Going in with the ColourPop Crush on You palette in the shade Class Act, I'm going to be putting that on my cheeks and highlighting all the areas of my face. I do go in with the Ambreezy highlighter after just because this shade was a little bit dark for my skin tone. Now to line my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Baddie Lip Liner. It's a beautiful orange shade and it's a very, very creamy formula. To finish out the look, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pumpkin Spice. It's a beautiful fall shade, this beautiful orange with a little bit of a brown undertone.
Alright everybody, here is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really good, and the monochrome look is kind of coming into style recently, and I think this is a very cute one for fall. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave any comments down below, any suggestions for videos, whether you like unboxings better or if you like makeup tutorials better. I'm definitely wanting to hear your opinion so that I can provide content that you guys like. So go ahead and leave the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.